Sam duly waited at the bottom of the slope for the loaded trucks. He never bumped trucks unless they misbehaved, but the loaded trucks couldn't see him properly. They thought he was the handle. Their chance for trickery had come. Faster! Faster! No, no, wailed the empty trucks. It's Peter Sam. But it was no use. Peter Sam shut his eyes. Beep, beep, wailed Peter Sam. Rusty was working nearby and came to help clear up the mess.